how to change withdrawal method on Prizepicks. Now you need to know that there is actually no direct edit button inside the withdrawal tab. So I will show you how to fix it. The way that Prizepicks works is for security reasons. You can usually only withdraw money to a payment method that you have already used to deposit before. So if you want to change your withdrawal methods, let's say from one bank account to another, or from PayPal to Payoneer, or from any other payment method to other payment method, you actually need to go to the deposit screen first. So the first thing that you should do is to simply go to the click deposit. This is step one. Step two is to select the new method you want to use for withdrawals. For example, if you want to start withdrawing to a new bank account, select online banking or PayPal. Then you will have to follow the prompts to link that new account. And usually to permanently lock that method in, you have to make a minimum deposit, which is usually about $10. Once you have successfully linked the new account and made that deposit, Prizepicks now verifies that account as yours. Now we can go back to the main menu and head the request withdrawal, and you will see that your new method is now available on the list to select. One major thing to keep in mind is that not all deposit methods allow withdrawals. For example, if you add a credit card or use Apple Pay to deposit, you usually cannot withdraw back to those. You generally need to link a valid bank account or PayPal if you want to get your money out. Also remember the one-time playthrough rule, where if you deposit that $10 just to link the account, you usually have to play through that $10 in entries before you can withdraw it back out. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.